Have you ever thought about investing in a vacation home? Well, that's exactly what our current clients did here in the Aqua community in Florida. And we are ready to show you what we've done to this place. We are here in the living room. I just want to share with you guys a few things you can do in a vacation home to keep the costs down, but still make the place look amazing. We actually got this piece of art from Messin Art online. We had an artist customize it the way we wanted it, the exact size we wanted it for this space, and they shipped it to us rolled up, and we were able to get our art framer to frame it up for us. And it was a very low cost. Also, you should think about in the main area to make ample room for large groups to stay in your vacation home. And that's exactly what we did in this space. Nowadays, many people work remotely. And so a great idea for you when you are putting together your vacation home is to add an area that someone can work. You can add a desk in the master bedroom. That's a great place to place it. You can also do it in maybe a room that's off from the main living area. Anywhere that someone could have some quiet time and some space when they need to jump on a Zoom call or even just work quietly. When doing a vacation home, you want to make the master the most unique space. We actually went for a 4-poster canopy bed instead of your usual bed. And we also had custom art made for this space. So just little touches like that can really spruce up a room, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. Talking about bedrooms, I think the best thing to do for a vacation home is to give a funky cool bed and some unique art. And you know, you could really go onto Etsy and download digital art and have someone frame it for you. For a low cost, you can make this room much more unique than your competition. We saw the most adorable bedroom on Pinterest and had to replicate it. This is what it looks like. We love it. And when you are against your competition, cute rooms and subtle little accessories make it or break it. We have custom art and this cute little lamp and just the adorable bedding that matches. It just makes this a perfect Pinterest picture. Thank you guys for joining us on learning how to make a successful vacation rental. I hope you learned a few things about maybe adding a little pop of art here and there, a little funky bedroom, and maybe a special place for someone to work remotely. I hope this helps you with your next vacation rental.